Hi guys, we're at Great Northern Terrace level crossing in Lincoln with Joe Thorpe. Link just going down now for the 1643 2 Tango 50 to Newark from Grimsby. I think it's 2 Tango 50. No, 2 Tango 56, that's it. Right, the time is 1641 on Tuesday the 28th of June 2016. And this is 4 hours 1644, 2 Kilo 56 Eastman train service from Peterborough to Lincoln Central, expected arrival 1642. And I'm here, this would have been my last closure, but I'm here until 1649 because of the freight delay at 1604. I'll have a look and see if it's made any time. It's supposed to pass Metheringham 7 minutes ago. Here she is. It's the passengers. Freight expected 1648, so another 7 minutes. And we have, it's going on the this line so we can go into 3 for the 1726 Leicester 153302. (153,302) to 153313 to Lincoln, and up they go. Okay guys, I'll see you in the next video.